Okay, again we have another listing. Welcome to our channel. This is Mr. Nino Humawas Katurusa, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 0015450. This is another property for sale. This is 1.1 hectares or 11,000 square meters. Tax declaration, dili pa siya titulado, not yet titled. So the title is to be processed in SINRO o DENR. So mamanay atong common name, no, DENR. Dito nag-process sa DENR. So mao na istorya, no. The price is 250 pesos per square meter. Slightly or negotiable. Depende na lang, no. Kay you know there was already someone is buying this property, but they have a negotiation, but the price is 250 pesos per square meter. So later on, kung interested ta ato gyud ning hangyoon na pod, siguro pod po, no, we will ask for another negotiation. So the property is located here in Barangay Cabog, Clarin, Bohol, approximately 40 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. Interior lot nani sa tunga, and there is already a barangay road nearby, more or less 100 meters away from here, no. Then maybe we can just walk to this property, or we can ask another extension of road right of way. So muna guys, then there's also a foreigner living in the area nearby, so safety is okay, no problem, no. Kay you know, if there are already foreigners around, we can guarantee. So pero most of Bohol, no, likely in Bohol are foreigners are here already. So so matotal, all in all, the safety in Bohol is really good, no problem, no more history of some troubles in the area, no, in Bohol. So this is still a good listing. Then interior, no neighborhood. The neighborhood is a little bit quite far, and you can do many things, poultry, piggery, or any kinds of farming. There is also a creek nearby. So again, the property is 1.1 hectares or 11,000 square meters at 250 pesos per square meter, located in Barangay Cabog, Clarin, Bohol. Then if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless all. Happy viewing. Bye. All right.